Hello, I'm Alejandro White with Sacramento Delta Property Management. I'm going to talk today about handling an eviction, some basic steps to get through an eviction, and these are just basics. So first thing to an eviction is going to be serving a 3-day notice. And like we talked about before, a 3-day notice, what you want to include on there is strictly the rent amounts. You don't want to have anything, late charges, any other charges on there that could confuse the issue. Make sure it's just basically just the rent that's the issue. Serve the 3-day notice if they haven't paid the rent. Another important thing when you're serving notices, and in particular in evictions, is you want to try to contact the resident. Let them know what's going on, see if there is an issue, the rent's late. Sometimes what will happen is the rent will come via mail and be lost, or the resident will just forget about it. And so sometimes simple issues can be resolved quickly before it has to get to an eviction. And so, but if the phone call doesn't work, if the 3-day notice doesn't work, and it does have to go to an eviction, after that 3-day notice period is up, the next thing to do is refer it to an attorney. There's a lot of steps between when you serve the notice and when the resident gets evicted, and so you'll want to get an attorney involved and start the process with an attorney. Another important thing about an eviction is you cannot accept any rent payments. Don't accept any payments from the resident once that 3-day notice has been served and the time is up. And so another thing is, if you have a property manager, some property management companies will cover the attorney's fees for filing for that eviction. And so it's important to talk to your property manager, and then if you have a property manager, sometimes they will pay for that eviction proceedings with the attorney. This is Alejandro White, and if you have any questions, please definitely give me a call.